Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Bitcoin wallet address on Cash App. First, open your Cash App and tap the Bitcoin tab. Then, select the Deposit Bitcoin option. Your unique Bitcoin address will then be displayed on the screen, ready for you to use. This process is straightforward and ensures you can easily receive funds. Just follow these simple steps to locate it. Your Bitcoin wallet address is a unique identifier, a long string of letters and numbers, specifically tied to your Cash App account. Think of it like a bank account number for your Bitcoin. You'll share this address with anyone who wants to send you Bitcoin. It ensures that any incoming cryptocurrency goes directly into your designated wallet. Once your Bitcoin address is displayed, you can easily copy it. Simply tap on the address itself, and it will be copied to your device's clipboard. You can then paste this address into a message or email to share with the person sending you Bitcoin. For even greater ease, Cash App also provides a QR code that can be scanned. It's crucial to remember that this address is exclusively for Bitcoin. Sending other cryptocurrencies to it will result in a permanent loss of those funds. Always double-check the address carefully before confirming any transaction to ensure accuracy. Also, be aware that Cash App might have specific daily or weekly limits on the amount of Bitcoin you can deposit into your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.